In today's video, I'll show you how to enable Storage Sense on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So to do this, at first what you have to do is just go to your search over here and search for settings. Then from the best matches, you'll find settings. Just simply open this up. And after settings opens up, just expand this. And after that, just from the left-hand menu, select systems. And after you're in system, just scroll down a bit and you'll find storage, which includes storage space, drives, configuration rules. Just expand storage. Click on yes if it asks for any permission and let this page load properly. As you can see, it shows your storage, and just below storage management, you'll see storage sense. If it's turned off, you can just turn it on. Make sure you do this. Also, make sure your run storage sense is set to every week. This is gonna scan your PC every week. And make sure delete files is set to 30 days. That means file in your recycle bin will be deleted after 30 days. Also, you can do the same thing for your download folders as well. And if you want, you can click on run storage sense now from here as well. Also, another thing from here is cleanup recommendation, storage optimized, no action required. Go inside this. And after you go inside this, if you have some recommendations, it's gonna show you that and you can clear storage from that. I currently don't have any, so I don't have anything to do. And then you can just close this out. And basically that is it. And that is how to enable Storage Sense on Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.